Number 11, have a look. It means to inspect or examine something.
Have a look at this report, please. Have a look at this report, please. She had a look at the car before buying. She had a look at the car before buying. Can you have a look at my essay? Can you have a look at my essay?
Number 12, have a lot of influence. It means to possess a significant power to affect people's actions, decisions, or thinking.
Media have a lot of influence on public opinion. Media have a lot of influence on public opinion. His words have a lot of influence on the team. His words have a lot of influence on the team. She has a lot of influence in the company. She has a lot of influence in the company.
Number 13, have a match. It means to have a game or contest, often in sports.
They have a match against the champions tomorrow. They have a match against the champions tomorrow. Our team had a match last night. Our team had a match last night. Do you want to watch the match we have today? Do you want to watch the match we have today?
Number 14, have no option. It means to be in a situation where there is no alternative choice.
I had no option but to leave early. I had no option but to leave early. They felt they had no option but to agree. They felt they had no option but to agree. She had no option other than to apologize. She had no option other than to apologize.
Number 15, have a problem. It means to face a difficulty or an issue.
We have a problem with the car engine. We have a problem with the car engine. If you have a problem, talk to me. If you have a problem, talk to me. They always seem to have a problem with deadlines. They always seem to have a problem with deadlines.